The shoes you're wearing right now could be destroying your feet. See, footwear is not just a fashion statement. It's the foundation of your body. Imagine building a house on a shaky foundation. That's what you're doing to your body with the wrong shoes. So be aware of these 5 types of shoes. The last one is the most damaging. Number 1. High heels. High heels can lead to numerous foot and ankle problems, including bunions, hammer toes, and neuromas. They can also cause the body to be misaligned, leading to back and knee pain. Number 2. Flip-flops. Despite their comfort, they provide little to no arch support and shock absorption. And this lack of support can lead to plantar fasciitis, a painful condition affecting the sole of our foot. Number 3. Platform shoes. These shoes can be unstable, leading to higher chances of sprained ankle. Number 4. Pointed toe shoes. These shoes can squeeze the toes together, leading to conditions like bunions and hammer toes. Number 5. Ill-fitting shoes. Shoes that are too tight, too loose, or do not fit properly. They can cause multiple foot problems, from blisters and corns to more serious foot conditions. See, the role of proper shoes in preventing injury and maintaining foot health cannot be overstated. It's important to choose a shoe brand that prioritizes foot health. Consider options like barefoot shoes, orthopedic shoes, or an activity-specific shoes. Saying this out loud for all of you: do not wear running shoes for weightlifting. You will face problems at some point.